Hello guys, welcome to our channel Beauty and Health Tips. Today we are discussing about banana. 12 surprising benefits of banana. Let's get started. Bananas are one of the most common fruits in the world. Bananas are grown in at least 110 countries and ranked 4th in the world. In terms of monetary value, you will start respecting bananas after discovering the many health benefits and reason to add them to your diet. First benefit: bananas contain right amount of potassium, which is essential to lower the blood pressure. However, increasing potassium intake may result vasodilation effects. Second point: bananas help to overcome depression due to tryptophan, which is present in it. This tryptophan converts into serotonin, which is known as happy mood brain neurotransmitter. Next benefit: banana improves your mood and reduces PMS symptoms by eating it, which regulates blood sugar and produces stress relieving relaxation. Next benefit: bananas are a rich source of protein, potassium, carbohydrates and dietary fiber. They have zero fat and cholesterol as well as negligible sodium. It contains vitamin like vitamin C, vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid and niacin. Next benefit: bananas can protect children against a cough and many associated symptom of asthma. Next benefit: consuming banana in the first 2 years of life may reduce the risk of developing childhood leukemia because it contains a good source of vitamin C, which can help combat the formation of free radicals that causes cancer. Next benefit: the presence of fiber, potassium, vitamin C and B6 contained in banana keep your heart healthy. Next benefit: bananas are the better source of energy than expensive sports drinks. Bananas provide enough calories for 1 hour or 2 hour workout. Next benefit: the presence of potassium in banana is good for bone health. Potassium also produces alkaline in the body to maintain the acid-base balance. Potassium intake has also shown improve the bone density in senior women. Next benefit: banana acid in diarrhea treatment through electrolyte replacement. There is a specific diet for quick recovery from diarrhea. The diet is called BRAT diet, which means banana, rice, applesauce and toast. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.